G'day guys, how's it going? Jimmy Bags here with Mejosium, and today we've got all these lovely spicy sauces that we're going to be trying, and I haven't actually tried any of them, so I have no idea what we're in store for. I don't think our toilets are going to like us after tonight.
Nah, the fiery shits. Fiery shits at their finest.
Shits of lava.
Yeah.
So, I forgot to cut the sausage.
Use the scissors! The multi-purpose scissors.
Are they clean?
Let's fucking hope so. Fucking naff here.
That's right, I've already started. I've already started snipping the sausage. It's all circumcised now.
And I just pretty much dropped the knife on myself. No biggie. Don't mind me.
Okay, so there's your bit of sausage.
Thank you.
And here's mine, and we'll start with the sriracha.
I have to say that I like spicy food, but I'm shit with it. Like, I'm really bad at it. So this shall be interesting.
Oh yeah. As I said, I'm not sure what we're in store for. I don't mind spicy food, but I think this is going a little bit far.
Oh yeah, we've got fucking 6 different ones there or something.
Yeah, this one should be the mildest from what I've heard.
Alright.
So let's get some of this sriracha, this rooster sauce on our sausages, and then you guys will watch two blokes eat some cock sauce off some sausage. Bet you haven't seen that before.
Oh god. Clickbait material. That is pretty much instant. Many regrets already.
If that's the mild one, we're in trouble.
Oh, we are fucked.
We got cabanossi, which has a little bit of spice to it as well, so we have no reprieve. I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't drink milk. I've told him he's not allowed to.
Yeah, he's fucked me over. He fucked me over because he was born with bad genes. Alright, let's wash this shit out.
Yeah, I'll
Get the next one. Get some sort of rotation system.
let's go with...
At least that one doesn't stick around.
It's got a nice taste. It's not too much of a burn.
Yeah, but we don't know what the rest are like.
Oh yeah. So next one we got here is red jalapeno sauce. And this should be pretty mild. Jalapenos aren't overly spicy from what I've heard.
But we don't know how they are sauce-wise.
Very true, very true.
Oh, I'm already regretting this, and we're like,
This is
we're not even halfway through.
Nowhere near halfway through.
And this is already painful. I invited him over to play games and he poisons me. Alright, ready? Tastes like shit. Like...
Spicy.
Oh, fuck it. It didn't like me insulting it. As soon as I said it tastes like shit, the fucking spice just kicks in. Oh lordy. Alright, so far so good. We're both still alive.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm still good, man.
Still a bit.
Still got my snag.
I just keep eating a whole bit of sausage each time.
He is fucking hungry.
Yeah, I am actually. I haven't eaten, so this is my lunch.
He's picked a bad lunch.
Yep, that one.
It's got plastic on it, mate.
This one's probably going to be pretty bad. It's green habanero, and habanero is apparently quite a lot hotter than jalapeno.
Ah, fuck. I mean, yeah. Remember one time I ate a chili? Didn't go well.
Oh.
I don't know what type it was.
So I did want to get some actual like super hot sauces or some like really hot chilies, but I have no idea where to get them from in Australia, so we were kind of screwed over there.
We're going to supermarkets and buying shit. No, I was fucking just... Oh, it's all green and gooey.
It's like gloopy and viscous.
Yeah, I don't... It looks like a fucking jelly or something. I fucking know. Yeah.
Oh man, I can smell this one.
Is it stinging the nostrils?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Alright, ready, set, go. Doesn't taste as bad as the other one.
It tastes quite a bit better.
Yeah, it actually tastes good. Suddenly things are starting to look up.
Not a massively amount spicier.
No, not spicy at all.
That's good. We got
who knows, maybe our taste buds are already fucked up from the first thing. I like to imagine we just started on the worst one, we're building our way back. Like the idiots that we are.
My hands are all like greasy from handling the sausage. I've been handling sausage over here, man.
Hey, calm down. Calm down, buddy.
Nothing sus.
I think there's plastic or some shit.
Yeah, I think there is.
We're getting gypped. Arrgh!
I really should have pre-opened these, but you know.
No, you know it's legit that we haven't tried this shit. Yeah. Oh, that looks gunky. Looks like it's stuck to the side.
Oh jeez. Might have to do the old bottle tap maneuver. Not like that, on the bottom.
I know, but I don't.
Alright, you have a free hand. Oh.
This must look. Yeah, hang on, that's gone. Yeah, this shit ain't coming out. Oh! Oh, we're getting it.
It's coming.
Oh, it's so bloody and shit.
Oh, speaking of which, we're gonna have some bloody shits, I reckon.
Oh, this is what the shit is gonna look like.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh man.
This is fucking.
It's all splattered in there. Yeah, let's
Fucking
get a nice
action
close
shot
up.
right here. This is gonna be us later. Okay, there's the camera. Fucking gunky. Gunky as shit.
Oh boy.
Alright.
So who thought this was a good idea? Neither of us.
No,
neither
fucking.
of us.
We'll be fine. He said, you like how you fucking dab yours in? I'm just like fucking. You're soaking it.
Yeah.
I'm just dabbing it, man.
I was gonna like pour a shitload on top of each one, but
Alright. Well, yeah, it doesn't. We should fucking put the whole thing in there. Anyways, let's go. Extra hot chili sauce.
that one wasn't too hot.
It got me in the throat. Fucking throated me, asshole.
You had some trouble throwing that sausage thing.
Yeah, mate. Fucking bones. That's not too bad, actually.
Okay. Next one we got here is Tabasco Chipotle sauce.
Fucking gesundheit.
I've heard these can get pretty hot as well. Right, this is one that we're going to just dab on top of our sausage, I think.
Alright.
Once I get this plastic.
Oh, I got stuff on the counter! Girlfriend's gonna kill me! Never mind.
Okay.
She beats me. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is like some
dripping.
fucking.
It's just a drip.
This is some scientific shit right here.
Oh,
Oh god.
I'm keeping it over the seat. It's alright.
You wanted to do it over there.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
I need to do it here.
Let's do this.
Oh god.
Not too bad. Then again, you put in like thousands and you put half the bottle in your shit. That
That one was pretty damn spicy.
was good.
Alright, for this last one, let's get some pepperoni hot rockets going, I reckon.
Oh, best shit. I'm gonna eat the rest of my snack. Here I am. I'm fresh. I was just chilling on my phone. What's up, guys? I'm a terrible host. This is why I don't do face cam shit.
Okay, if I can just figure this fucking thing out. Alright, there's one open.
Oh, fuck yeah. Use the scissors. The
I
scissors,
did
that,
use the
the
scissors.
scissors that we use for everything.
I didn't want to clip the knob off it, so I didn't want
Fucking just do it. Fucking do it, mate. Right.
Okay,
That guy.
the Nando's extra hot
Nando's
sauce.
on a trademark.
Or extra bloody hot, they call it.
Don't sue us, Nando's. Don't. Please.
It's right, they're getting free
Advertisement.
advertising.
You're holding fucking scissors. Oh no, you're holding this.
I'm holding the
Give me the scissors. I'm sick of doing this like a caveman. And then the video title is going to be Idiot Cuts Himself with Scissors on Camera. Needs emergency room ASAP. Oh my god, that did shit all. Nando's! Nando's, what are you doing? Yeah.
I mean, I can't talk. I couldn't get the can open either.
Yeah, I was going to say. Quiet down. Alright, and.
Okay.
Oh, that's a bit thicker.
We don't need to wash this bowl out. I'm not, because we're going to mix them all up.
We're going to mix them up after because he wants to kill me. He wants to bring back all the bad memories of the past 2, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I don't even know how fucking long it's been. And he's going to just fucking condense them into my head.
Oh, I've got some seeds on there, jeez. This is going to be
It's
interesting.
too fucking dark for me to see, but... Oh, look at that. It's
Can't really see much, but...
whisking this shit. No, you drip it on my fucking counter! Alright.
So it's in the sink. Okay, here we go.
That was a lovely experience.
That was actually really nice.
Fucking Nando's. It's not hot as shit. It's good. Alright.
Okay, now for the...
Yeah, you gotta smack that fucker. Oh. Look, I'll show you how to do it. You just do this. Just this, man. It's fucking...
I may have gotten a drop on your counter.
Oh, you fucker. I can't see it, but if you said it, I'm gonna start smacking shit.
Might have landed in the bowl. Why did I just lick chili sauce off my hands? That was not a fun experience.
So far, this has been a nice experience.
Well,
That first one was the hottest, I reckon.
yeah, I thought,
That didn't even fuck our shit.
it was going to be the most
I was gonna say, have you done this? And that was the one you were smacking like crazy. Right.
Well, we still got the sriracha. And then we want to add some hot mustard and wasabi as well. Just because.
Just because.
Just
to really fuck us up, you know. Oh, that wasn't even a good one. I've disappointed myself. Oh my god. Alright.
Hold on.
Mix it in with the sausage. Oh man, I'm gonna oh god. I forgot you had that shit. He's got the extra spicy shit.
The actual real wasabi.
If I remember wasabi, it's not a fucking good
Mustard
experience.
as well, or?
Oh yeah, man. I'm just mixing it in.
Might need a knife or something for
Oh,
this.
frickin' this guy here, not prepared.
So
Use the scissors. Alright.
You're right.
Fucking these guys. Lifesavers. If we didn't have them, this video would be fucked. You know what the best part is? Now we have some snacks for when we play games. It's an odd choice of snacks, but it fucking works. Oh, it's in there.
Stir that right up.
Yep, stirring it up
With your stick.
Yep. Just to really fuck me up. Alright.
Okay.
Oh, you go for it, mate.
Yeah.
Fucking hogging it. Oh, you ate the whole thing. You're just doing this because you're hungry.
Yep.
I'm doing it for the.
That's the reason I do half of my videos.
I'm doing it for the 15 views. For the people, not for myself.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm regretting this.
I got a feeling if this goes past 15 views, I'm gonna sound like a dick now. Alright, let's do this. Tastes like shit. Has a medicine-y taste.
It wasn't actually all that hot.
I feel like they cancelled each other.
Yeah, that's what I was just going to
I
say.
was gonna say it didn't fucking work.
Well, my mouth is burning, that's for sure.
Mine's not.
You weren't bloody coating it like I was.
Yeah, I did the pussy way out.
Yeah, so that was an experience, that's for sure.
That was it.
My mouth's really starting to burn now. Alright, well.
Fine.
Fuck you.
I'm gonna go take some of this stuff.
This cunt over here. Oh well. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you when I see ya.
See yous.